Hi everyone, you are on the channel Katyusha's Braids. Today we have a very cool hairstyle. It's two boxer braids with a kanekalon. This is a kid's version. I will definitely show you how to make these ponytails. So let's get started. I think it's going to be a very interesting video today. Let's start as usual. We're going to comb through the hair. Now, since we have boxers, we need to make nice even parting. The ready. The left side is removed and we start working as usual with the right side. Since we have boxer braids with kanekalon, so we need to fix it. How we do that today I will tell you right now. Since we have boxer braids with kanekalon, so we need to fix it. How we'll do it today I will tell you right now. We separate a triangle of hair. It is easier to make somewhere like this. Middle triangle here is even visible, and now we fix it with a silicone rubber band. We need to take kanekalon here, and I have one pack of kanekalon. 100 grams, and of course I divide it in half. That is half of the pack. I will go to right, braid half of the left for the beginning. You can even take a little less than a half pack if you feel that you are having a hard time with half a packet. You can separate a little bit less. We start to work with 1/3. So what do we do next? We take our material and take loops like this for hairstyles. You can easily find these loops in any shop. If you don't know where, write to me and I'll tell you where I got these. And we put the kanekalons through the loop. Done. It's attached to the loop. We even the ends, we pass it right under the tail and pull out only one part of the kanekalon. This is the construction we get. Pull up the ponytail so that it holds the kanekalon well. Flip the material, and for weaving we need to take 3 strands, not 2. So here we have overlapped the rubber band with the material. Now I just divide all the strands that I got. There's our hair, my ponytail. I've got a kanekalon as well. I divide it into 3 equal strands. Now I have everything ready to start braiding. Kanekalon I have on top of my hair. That is so to cover the hair will be easier. Let's start braiding. The first step we do without pickups, only the material. The second step we also do not take pickups. Done. And here, starting with the third step, I begin to pick up the hair. We take picks either with the index finger or with the tip of the comb, as you like it. When weaving, try to lay kanekalon over your hair right away. You see, when I put the picks, I put it as under the material, so that only I had kanekalon on top, so that my hair would not get on top and the braid would be bright and beautiful. Make sure that your pickups are straight and go straight to the braid. You can see I have my hair visible here right now. And I turn specially the strand in this way so that the kanekalon covers the hair. And here I do the same thing. Don't forget to tighten up the wave after each step so the braid would be tight. Try to keep the last pickup small, but don't take them too small. So here I'm now taking the last grid, and it should not be shallow. You need to tighten the braid to the head as much as possible. Now we finished taking the pickups, and now we're going to finish the regular braid turned out. Even if we don't take pickups, we don't forget to overlap our hair with kanekalon as well. What is this overlap for? The better the overlap you have, the longer you will be able to wear braids with kanekalon. Try to hide the ends of your hair under the material, and then they won't get knocked out and you can make the braids longer. This is a tip I'm leaving to you. In principle, you can weave it to a thin tip, but today we have children's braids. Children usually like to have beautiful fluffy tails. We brush the end of the braid with a massage brush. That we have the left hair extra kanekalon, we cut it off neatly. Now I'm doing the overlap. Cover the silicone rubber band with material. How do we do it? We'll do it with this loop. Turn the braid over, put the loop under the rubber band. Like this. We take a piece of material, preferably without your hair, so that there is only a kanekalon, so that the overlap will be prettier. After the braid a couple of times, ponytail it to the loop and loop down. Straighten and wrap the braid and remove the excess hair. That's how neat the braid is. As you can see from the side, we have all the hair gathered. Here everything is gathered, and with this braid you can walk as long enough as you want. Now let's weave the second braid. We'll do everything according to the same instructions. Here we are. Our boxer braids are ready. There are two identical braids should turn out, so watch the direction of the braids and overlap so that your hair will be mostly under the material. You've been here with me on the Katyusha's Braids channel. Today we created with you hairstyle boxer braids with a kanekalon, bright and cool. Try, repeat. Bye everybody!